Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's another exciting day because I got my Jeffree Star Mystery Box. This is the Valentine's Day Mystery Box. So let's open it and see what we got. So you have not, please like and subscribe to my video, ring my bell, and let's open this. Okay, so Jeffree Star put out these mystery boxes about, I think, last Friday? Yes, I don't remember what day, but I'll link everything below. There's 3 mystery boxes. A premium mystery box has 4 items. The deluxe mystery box has 8 items. And the supreme mystery box has 12 items. There are 3 tiers that will feature at least 1 exclusive item. And they're only available with these boxes. So let's open this and see what we got. I didn't open it or anything. I don't even know where the front of it is. Oh, here it is. These mystery boxes are getting stressful because the first one I got was last year. That was the first mystery box I ever received. And it wasn't that bad. But I do like getting them. But then again, I have to keep telling myself that they are a mystery. So whatever you get in it, if not, then, you know, you're just going to have to like whatever you got and just be happy. Okay, so let's open this box up and see what's in here. If I can get it open. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. Yay! Here is everything. So let's open it. Okay, first off, I see a pink hat. I am not a hat person, but I will keep it because it's part of his collector. It will be part of a collector's item one day, so I will keep this even though I won't wear it. It's a t-shirt. So this is a shirt. It's in a large. Oh, it is a t-shirt. Okay, so I got a t-shirt. Some people got long sleeve shirts. This is Valentine's Day shirt, and it says everything on the back of it. It's really cute. So let's see what else we got. Ooh, we got some straws. There are four different straws in here, and these are the green ones. It's supposed to be 8 products, so that's 3 products so far. Oh, I see this little package here. What could this be? I think I already know what this is. It is another mini Jawbreaker. So this means I have 4 of these now. I will be putting one of these in a giveaway. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. Let's open this item, the next item here. Oh, it's in gold paper. It's really pretty, the paper. And I think I've heard that he was discontinuing items. Oh, Skin Frost Pro Palette. Ooh, I think I have 2 of these now because I did just buy one of these, but that's okay. These colors will look beautiful on my skin tone. Yep, this is the same one that I bought. I can use all these colors in here. These colors will all look gorgeous on my skin tone. I can't wait to use this one. I bought it, but I got it really late too because I bought it when he had some kind of sale going on, so I just purchased this. So I was hesitant to buy this and the premium box, but I kept going back and forth, and I didn't end up getting the premium box. I only got the deluxe, but that's okay. Again, that's why these are mystery boxes. Okay, so then the next item, I got the gloss. Ooh, I got Candy Drip. So this is Candy Drip. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh wow, this is a very light pink. Let's swatch it. Oh, and it has a nice smell to it. My skin is a little bit darker, so it will look a little bit darker on me. There it is. That is really cool. I'm really happy about that. I do have I've got some more somewhere, but I don't know where they are. Okay, so this is the next item. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is number 7. This is his Valentine's Day mystery color. There's no name on it. This is his liquid lip. Shake well before. Yeah, there's no name on it. But here's the color here. I'm gonna swatch it here. Oh wow, look at it. It's like a pinky red color. It's like a pinky red, rosy kind of color. That's the color I can describe it. I will be using that. Okay, so then the last item in here is one of his mirrors. So my idiot self, in the Halloween box, I didn't know that there was a mirror in the bottom of the box. Thank God I didn't throw the box away, so that I started seeing other people posting them. I'm like, wait, I didn't get a mirror. I went back and I looked, I'm like, I'm such an idiot. It was in the bottom of the box. Anyway, so here's this mirror. Let's see which one I got. I'll be happy with any one that I get. If I got a purple one, I would be in heaven, but it's okay. It's all good. I can't get the box open as always. Oh, I got a white mirror. Very cool. I'm very happy with that. And I just ripped the box. Oh, I'm very, very happy with this because I'm not really a pink person. I am very happy with this. Oh, this is so cool. Thank you, Jeffree, for my mystery box. I'm very happy with it. Again, all the items in here, they're a mystery, so you don't know what you're going to get, but that's the fun about them, and you know you're going to get a whole bunch of good products at the end of the day. So thank you, Jeffree Star and his team, for putting together these boxes this year. This is my 1-year anniversary for getting mystery boxes. I will keep on purchasing them because I think they're fun to buy, as long as I have the money to buy it. But anyways, that's everything I got in here. I will total it all up and let you guys know the retail value of it all. So let's just go back through everything that we got again. So we got one of his white mirrors, white Jeffree Star mirrors, hand mirror. Put this back. I got the Gloss and Candy Drip, his mystery shade, his liquid lip mystery shade. I got another mini Jawbreaker. This will probably be going in a giveaway. I got this 24 karat gold pro palette, the highlighter palette. I don't know if I'm going to give this away yet. If not, I'll keep it as just a second backup. We got his 4-piece reusable straws, and these are really good. I got his t-shirt. I'm not going to put this in the box because I'm going to actually wash it and wear it. And we got his cap. I'll just keep this. So I am very, very happy with everything I got. And I do have a little giveaway going up on my channel right now. So if you have not, please like and subscribe to my video. Ring my bell. And I will see all you birdies and all you pretty, beautiful people later. So I'll see you later. Bye.